Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some black beans and chicken in the Instant Pot. So let's apply the pressure. This is a pretty simple recipe. I have a pound of dried black beans there, so I need to get those rinsed off. And I have about a pound and a half, 1.52 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs here. These were $5.99 a pound on sale, so these were $9.10 for a pound and a half of chicken. Kind of expensive, but I really like the chicken thighs better than breasts just because they're moister and they don't dry out as much. So if you haven't seen these, here's what they look like. So I'm going to go ahead and get these rinsed off and maybe trim off some of that excess fat there. And then we'll get everything into the pot. And for seasoning, I'm just going to use some kosher salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper. But I'm not going to season this until after the beans and chicken are cooked. My beans and chicken are rinsed. I'm going to pour just a little bit of oil into the bottom of the pot just to keep things from sticking. This is avocado oil, but you kind of use whatever kind of oil you want. Now I'll go ahead and get the beans in there. All right, and my chicken. Okay, and now I'm just going to fill this up with water to the halfway mark there. All right, it looks good. All right, the lid's on there. I'm turning this to the pressure cook setting. I'm going to pressure cook this for 20 minutes on high pressure. And I'm going to turn the keep warm off. And I'm going to let the pressure release naturally on its own. It has been 90 minutes and I just heard the pressure pin drop. So let's take a look here. That looks pretty good. Now I'm going to go ahead and start seasoning this a little bit. I'm just going to season it to taste. So I'll sprinkle in a little salt and then some of this Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion. So if you don't have this, maybe just some pepper and a little garlic powder and onion powder would work. This looks pretty good. I put a little bit of cheese and sour cream and green onion on top there. You can see that the chicken is really tender. You can just cut that with a spoon. So let's try a bite here. That's pretty good. Probably pretty healthy as well. So the total cooking time on that was an hour and a half. By the time the pot preheated, went through the 20-minute cooking cycle, and then the pressure released on its own. I will write the ingredients I used in the description. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.